If you ever spot an alligator frozen in the ice, don't go playing the hero and try to pull it out. Seriously, all your heroism will go right out the window. You see, alligators often do this during the cold winter months as a way to survive the low temperatures. They actually slow down their metabolism and heart rate, kind of putting themselves in a deep freeze in a frozen lake for months. But here's the thing, if you try to pull them out during this time, the sudden change in temperature can either shock the alligator to death, or it might just wake up and decide to defend itself, which could end very badly for you.